Stop manually hunting through emails for Walmart's biggest sales events and just go through the events tab. Now, if you don't know where the events tab's at, you can just Google Walmart seller events. And of course, you're going to see Seller Summit, which is recommended by a lot of sellers because you get to meet, greet, and get to know a lot of people, especially at the after events, right? So, but the biggest thing is going to be this events tab right here. So you can click on this, and what's going to do is take you to all of the events that are coming up or have already came up, right? And we've got the Marketplace 201 Holiday Edition 205. You can view the recording. But the biggest thing that I've seen when reviewing these events is who are the speakers. That's how you know if it's legit and if you're going to learn something new and pretty much get access to a lot of different things that sellers don't get access to. So we can scroll down, Marketplace Learn Live Holiday Special. And this is well before the holidays have even commenced. This is getting prepared for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and I'm telling you right now, a lot of people don't even know how Walmart business exclusive pricing even works, or even that it's possible, right? Ship with Walmart per seller protections, a lot of different things that are super important that Walmart does not talk about at all. And you can look at the speakers right here, and we can see Molly, for example. We can Google her name. And she is the director of seller growth solutions at Walmart. She's a whole director with 10 plus years experience. Do you think she's there to waste our time? Hell no, right? And we've got Alex is the senior manager of strategy and operations at Walmart. I see pretty high up there, right? So you can kind of, if there's that many speakers at one event, you know it's going to be real and they're going to put a lot of effort into it, right? So you just want to try to check these out because these events, it might seem like if there's just two speakers and you Google them, you don't even see anything about them. But you know it's real when there's going to be a lot of speakers that are showing up, right? So we can kind of just go through the list and see what speakers are going to be there to determine how valuable it's going to be. We can also see upcoming events. As of right now, there's nothing. They're pretty much done for the year, but I'm sure in January they're going to be announcing things so you can stay on top of it. And then, of course, past events. Now, that's not the only thing that's big on here. It's going to be all of the release notes. And Walmart keeps releasing more and more and more things. And a lot of the times, they're not emailing you about it. Like this one that just happened 2 days ago as of making this video. They're updating the image guidelines. And no, they did not email anybody about that. So let's see. The use of stock photos and imagery that indicates a product is out of stock or sold out is prohibited and may result in products being unpublished. So Walmart's going heavy with this stuff. Important listing quality updates. This is like an update. They did 2 updates in a day. So they're going in. They're just like update, and they're not telling anybody about it unless you have access to this tab, which is a little messed up, but pretty good. Sell Better blog, the FAQ. Oh, this is nice. And they did have seller forms in October, but they removed it. I do believe they are going to add it back. So that way you can kind of contact different Walmart internal reps and other people, guides. And then they also have certifications now. If you didn't know, you can get a certification for Walmart, which is phenomenal if you're training yourself to become better or your team. So not only is this events tab great for running specials and promotions and learning more about Walmart so you can get ahead, but it's important to stay up to date on all of the policies that's happening on Walmart so you don't get suspended, worst case terminated, or anything happening to your account. It's all down to you at the end of the day. That's just how the cookie crumbles. And that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. Learn something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, like learning Walmart, if you're stuck on Walmart, suspended, or if you just need help on anything Walmart, we specialize in that. We're experts. You can contact EHP Consulting Group. Links right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. We also offer full account management. We'll come in, we'll make sure your listing quality score is optimized. You get that pro seller badge. We convert you to WFS. and your sales increase long term. It's a step by step process to make sure that you are optimized on Walmart. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.